I want to try something different today. Every video thus far has been very text heavy, chat, documents, dark screens. But today I want to show you something very visual. What if I told you an AI tool that can create an entire presentation, images, themes, layouts, content, everything under 60 seconds? And I'm not talking about any boring PowerPoint template, but something that actually looks good. I'm going to type just one sentence into this tool called Gamma, and let's see what it's going to create. And the topic, my own 30-day AI challenge. So let's see. So here I am in gamma.app. This is not any PowerPoint tool where AI is bolted on, but rather this is an AI-powered presentation app that has been built solely to create presentations. So first, this is your landing page, and it's asking us, how do you want to generate this presentation? It's saying, do you want to create this with just one line prompt, which is what we want to do, but let's just explore what else is there. Or you can give it an entire text and give an outline, it will create the presentation. Or you can just share a URL, a screenshot, and it will create presentation for you. But for this demo, let's use this one-line prompt. And it's asking us, what do we want to generate? A presentation, web page, documents, social assets. We're going with presentation. So let me select presentation, and 10 cards is good. In Gamma, instead of slides, they call it cards. So we'll use the terminology. And let's just build classic because I don't have any pro version. Default slide size. I want to go with traditional 16 by 9 and English. As you can see, it can create these presentations in any language. We'll explore it a little later. Okay, let me give it the prompt. I'm just going to give it one sentence. Okay, I'm going to say, I'm a mid-career professional who is doing a 30-day AI challenge. I'm testing different AI tools every few days and documenting what I learn in YouTube. I've covered so far ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Notebook LM, Copilot, and my biggest surprise is document the lessons for professionals who want to learn AI and what is coming next. Make it inspiring and practical, just in 10 slides. Note this, I have not given anything more. I'm not telling it what I learned and so far. This is just one long sentence, aka prompt, and we are asking it to generate a presentation. Wow, it's not even 10 seconds, it came back. So far, the outline looks decent. It's given it a heading, my 30-day AI challenge, mid-career professional's journey into AI mastery. It gave a decent name, looks good. Well, this is an outline of what it created. So I can add more slides to it. And let's explore more. Customize your Gamma. What kind of a text we want? Well, presentations have to be concise. Let's pick the theme as Onyx. Again, we can always change the template even after it is created. For now, let's just go with Onyx. AI images. So it's going to use images in the presentation, right? Just to keep it more engaging. Or AI images, just to simplify our demo. It uses all the top available image generator models. It has a Nano Banana Pro, GPT detail, everything. But as you can see, these are all ultra models or premium models. Here, I'm just testing with the free tier. So let's go with the basic. Okay. We'll just say ideogram, flash. What else? What's your image art style? Let's say illustration. What's extra words that you want to use? Keep it simple. Colorful, engaging, I don't want this to be a very serious presentation. And let's hit generate. What's happening? Oh wow, it's creating as we're watching it. Oh wow, the wake up call, the mission, the goal. Oh my god, this is so fast. I'm not speeding up anything. It is just creating all by itself. I have spent so many nights trying to make presentations look better the night before I have to present something. And the formatting, drafting, just the design itself used to take me so much of my time. What's going on? It's at slide 7. Already slide 7. Slide 8. It's almost there. 10. Wow. It's done. Cannot really believe. With complete illustration, content. It uses all the available AI tools to create the content. That's why even I did not spell anything. It actually generated content using the leading AI tools. This is excellent. Let's click through this to understand better. So far, the outline looks good. It covered all the topics that we said, and the content looks decent. So let's go through the details. Firstly, why does it assume there is a guy here? So I'm going to edit it with an agent. Look how simple it is. I'm not making any changes. I'm just asking Gamma to make the changes as I type in plain English. This is amazing. I'm going to say change the image to reflect email in all the slides. Well, it doesn't matter, but I'm just testing it out, how long it takes for it to change things. Okay, let's see. Send to AI, enter. And I told it to make changes in all the slides. I wonder how quick it will come back. While it's editing this first slide. Wow, change the first slide. It's changing all the slides. Okay, I will not touch it. Wow, that was very quick. Imagine me sitting all nights doing this PowerPoint. This was really quick. It changed the image to what I said in every single slide, and that was very quick. Well, the title is pretty decent. It gave it a text, a mid-career professional's journey into AI mastery, testing new tools, documenting discoveries, sharing every lesson on the YouTube. It's pretty decent. I didn't ask for it. Why I started? I never gave it the reason, so I'm curious what it wrote. As you saw, it was only one sentence in the prompt. So the AI, the leading AI, maybe Claude, ChatGPT, one of them it is using, has created this content. So it's giving the reasons why I started. Well, the motivation is correct, but not exactly what I would write. Some are very generic, not exactly what's in my mind. Well, it is easy. I can always change it. First of all, this font is so small. So I'm going to ask it to, how would you like to edit this card? Improve writing. Okay, what does it say? The radical wake-up call. The landscape of work is being rewritten in real time. Remaining a passive observer was no longer an option. I chose to step into the eye of the storm. I wouldn't say things like this, but well, it got the essence of it. It's easy for us to edit the text now that we have this entire slide deck ready. The AI tools I have explored so far. This is amazing. It took all the things that I wrote in my prompt. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Notebook, Copilot. It's pretty good. I don't like the way it laid out. So let's make small tweaks here. Arrange the tools to fit into the slide or card. Let's see how fast it does. That's pretty good. This is like me doing PowerPoints. If I don't know what to do, I just drag things. This is pretty good. Biggest surprises along the way. Time library. AI dramatically cuts repetitive work, filling up hours for creative, high-value thinking. No one-size-fits-all. That's very true. Prompting is a skill. Absolutely. Human judgment wins. Well, some of these are not very deep, but it's a pretty good start. Lessons for mid-career professionals. Start small, stay consistent, master the art of asking, build reusable workflows, document and share publicly. Well, I resonate with some of them, absolutely, but there are many lessons would like to fit in, not just these four, where two of them are very general. Real world impact, how AI transformed my workflow. Instant knowledge retrieval, faster, cleaner code. I haven't done any coding yet, so it is just making up things. What's coming next? Well, even I don't know what's coming next, so I wonder what it's saying. AI agents and multi-tool flows. I definitely plan to do that. Fine-tuning personalizations, advanced prompt engineering, community building. Well, for one sentence and 60 seconds, this is amazing. Let's see what's the closing slide is. Embrace AI, become irreplaceable. That's a very good ending. Overall, for a 60 seconds and we not touching even a single design tool, and AI giving us that head start, formatting it, giving a template, everything looks so clean and professional. Even giving the content is something very valuable. But I want to see how the presentation mode looks like. Let's just hit the presentation. It looks really decent, very professional, as if I had a design team who built this. I know these images look very AI generated, but you can always give your own images. But for a free tier and just trying to test what an AI can do in 60 seconds, this is amazing. I like the title, very communicative, very simple. You get surprises along the way. Since for mid-career professionals learning AI, I would definitely make the font a little bigger and the picture less. For AI versus AI, real-world impact, how AI transformed my workflow. Definitely transform my workflow. What's coming next? How can you start your own AI challenge today? Pick your tool, dedicate 15 minutes, and your insights. I really like the ending. Well, this is where the power is. It completed 70 to 80% of the nuances of just creating a PowerPoint presentation. Now it's for you to make the 20% more valuable by focusing on the content and messaging. overall, the deck is solid. It's 80% there. So let me exit out of the presentation mode. So let's try a few more things. There's an agent inside. Ask me to edit, create, or style anything. I'm just going to say change the style to more colorful. And see how long it takes. I just want to see how long it takes. Fraction of a second, we changed the entire deck to a different color schemes, and this actually looks pretty decent. What else an agent can do? Translate. First, let me make a copy of it. Otherwise, if it translates, I may duplicate this gamma. Let's duplicate. Okay, so I just made a copy of it, and then I'm asking, and I'm going to ask the AI agent to translate this entire deck. So I'm just putting a simple prompt. I'm going to click on translate. It's that simple. I'm going to scroll through the available languages. The selection seems to be massive. I'm looking for my native language. Hopefully I can find it. And there it is, Telugu. Let's click translate. This actually shows, if you have great ideas, language is not a barrier anymore, and you can present it to the world. And it's translating. It's done. That was very quick, very fast, very simple, just one button. And this looks decent. 60 seconds, one sentence, and your entire presentation is ready. And this looks better than anything that I've ever created using a PowerPoint. And I haven't even touched a single design tool. Creating a PowerPoint is a very time-consuming activity, and it is so painful to see your time go by just formatting it and then designing and not really spending your time on messaging. So let AI take that pain away. So next time you have a presentation due, try Gamma. Link is in the description. Explore it. Bye.